Only a few countries have a firm hold on the semiconductor industry worldwide, leading to concerns about the supply chain's vulnerability to potential disruptions. It has also led to geopolitics around semiconductors, raising concerns about how global innovation will progress. For example, geopolitical tensions between the United States and China have added to the semiconductor industry's uncertainty. The two countries are engaged in several disputes, including technology competition. These tensions could disrupt the global semiconductor supply chain, as both countries are major players in the industry. Conversely, geopolitics drives countries to compete to develop new semiconductor technologies, leading to more research and development investment. It could also result in innovative semiconductor technologies that could benefit society. According to the Semiconductor Industry Association, the worldwide semiconductor industry will generate earnings of $1 trillion by 2030. The growth will be due to the need for semiconductors in emerging technologies such as 6G, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things. Geopolitics can potentially derail this growth, and thus it is essential to carefully consider all the factors involved in geopolitics before making informed decisions about the semiconductor industry's future.